Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your Telegram call ringtone on an Android device. Customizing your ringtone is a great way to make sure you never miss a call or just add a bit of personality to your notifications. Let's dive into the simple steps to change your call ringtone in Telegram. Step 1. Start by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will open the side menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings to access your Telegram settings. Step 4. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This is where you can customize all of your notification preferences, including call ringtones. Step 5. Scroll down and find the Calls section, then click on Ringtone. This will show you the available ringtones for your calls. Step 6. Now, choose your desired tone from the list of available ringtones. Once selected, your choice will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram call ringtone. Now, you can enjoy your calls with a ringtone that suits your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.